Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create WeChat account on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the WeChat app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the WeChat app. Then you can see on the bottom of your screen, there's login option and sign up option. You have to select the sign up option. And there are three methods to sign up. That's sign up with mobile, sign up with Apple, or sign up with Facebook. We're gonna sign up with mobile. Once you select sign up with mobile, you have to give your full name, the region you're from, your phone number, and your password. After that, you have to select that I have read and accept the terms of services. Then select accept and continue. It's gonna take a few seconds. Then they're gonna give you their privacy policy. You have to make sure you read them and select I have read and acknowledge the privacy policy and tap on next. Once you do that, on the screen you can see they're gonna ask for security verification and that you're a human. You have to tap on authenticate and follow the steps. And guys, that's it. That's how you create WeChat account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.